Hello, this is Katie with WTI, and if you are looking to spruce up your bathroom space, I have just the thing for you. This is the over the toilet cabinet from MXARLTR. Now, I have to preface that this is designed to go over a toilet, but because of how beautiful the design is, it certainly can be used in other ways. For instance, it could go over a mini fridge. But I do love it in my bathroom. I love the farmhouse doors and black furnishings. It has just elevated the space. It took about 2 hours to put together, and I did do it by myself. So if you have a partner, which really is recommended, I expect that it will be much quicker. I love that it also has an uncovered shelf that you can use to decorate the space or place readily handy items. Now it is 6.5 feet tall, and the shelf is about 34.25 inches off the ground. So do be sure to measure the space before you install it. But I really recommend this cabinet. I just find it so beautiful. I can't really recommend it enough. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.